A good tail bag is the most convenient and versatile ways to carry luggage on a motorcycle. One bag that works across different bikes, different rides, and different styles of travel, without the need for complicated mounting systems or extra hardware. And when it comes to made in India motorcycle tail bags that deliver on quality, functionality, and value for money, it's hard to beat the ViaTerra Claw. First launched in 2013, the Claw has always been built to last. Made from tough 1680 denier fabric, the first-gen Claw offered 55 liters of storage and unlocked a whole different way for Indian motorcycle travelers to carry their gear with them. Over time, the Claw kept improving, thanks to valuable feedback from riders who tested it across thousands of kilometers. The capacity was increased from 55 liters to a massive 72 liters, and the mounting system was upgraded from 3-point to a 4-point setup for better stability. We added 3M reflective panels at the back for safety, and the aesthetics was significantly improved. We also added grab handles alongside the removable shoulder strap to make it easier to carry off the bike. And then came the addition of options, based on rider preferences and needs. For riders who prefer to travel lighter, we introduced a more compact twin, the Claw Mini. It carried forward all the functionality of the original Claw, but in a smaller form. A few years later, we added 100% waterproof versions of the Claw and the Claw Mini, offering better protection from the elements with a redesigned main compartment, featuring an inner waterproof liner, a secure roll-top closure, and a durable external rain cover. And of course, there is now the more premium offering in the line, the Claw Pro. With a cleaner, more sleek design and several improvements in terms of materials and features, the Claw Pro proudly sits on top of our Claw range. The Claw is more than just a bag. It's a defining product in our range, one that set the benchmark for what an affordable motorcycle tail bag should and can be. We are proud of what the Claw has achieved and even prouder of the stories it has been part of. Which version of the Claw has been on your journey? Let us know your favorite feature in the comments. Thanks for watching.